The bloop, the mysterious sound from the deep. In 1997, researchers listening to underwater microphones across the Pacific picked up something strange. A massive, ultra-low frequency sound they called the bloop. It was so loud that it was detected over 3,000 miles apart by multiple listening stations. Scientists were stunned. No known animal could make a sound that powerful, and it didn't match man-made noises like submarines or explosions. For years, the bloop sparked wild theories. Some believed it was a colossal sea creature lurking in the unexplored depths of the ocean, something bigger than a blue whale. Others thought it might be the movement of an ancient underwater monster, fueling legends like Cthulhu from H.P. Lovecraft's stories. With over 80% of the ocean still unmapped, the idea didn't seem impossible to many. In 2012, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA, gave an official explanation. The bloop was most likely the sound of massive icebergs cracking and breaking apart. But not everyone was convinced. The recording's organic patterns still seemed eerily alive to some experts, and conspiracy theories continued to grow. Whether it was natural ice movement or something much stranger, the bloop remains one of the most fascinating and spine-tingling mysteries of the deep ocean. Could something enormous still be hiding beneath the waves, waiting to be discovered? Follow for more chilling mysteries